Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. If you're trying to format numbers with commas in Google Sheets, whether for large numbers, the LAC numbering system, or even spaces instead of commas, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. And I'll include the custom number formats in the description so you can copy and paste them directly. Let's jump in. Look at our example data. Let's say we have large numbers like 1,000, 10,000, 1 million. Right now, they're just plain numbers. Let's format them properly. Method 1. Standard comma formatting, thousands, millions. First, select the column you want to format. Then go to Format, Number, Custom Number Format. On the right side, we'll enter this format. Use this format, and I'll include it in the description below. Click Apply. Now your numbers will display like this: 1,000, 10,000, 1 million. This is the standard Western numbering format. Perfect for financial reports and dashboards. Method 2. LAC formatting, Indian numbering system. Now let's say you need LAC formatting instead. Select your column again. Go to Format, Number, Custom Number Format. This time, use this format. I'll include this one below too. Click Apply. Now your numbers will display like this: 1 lakh, 10 lakh. Notice the difference? Instead of grouping in threes, 1 million, we're grouping as 2, 2, 3, which is used in the Indian numbering system. This is especially useful for regional financial reporting. Method 3. Using spaces instead of commas. Maybe you don't want commas at all. Maybe you want spaces between groups. Select your column again. Go to Format, Number, Custom Number Format. Use this format. Click Apply. Now your numbers look like 1,000, 10,000, 1 million. This is common in some European formats and can look cleaner in certain dashboards. Why this matters? Custom number formatting makes reports more readable, adapts to regional number systems, improves professionalism, doesn't change the actual number, only how it displays. Your calculations still work exactly the same. You're just changing how the number looks. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I share practical tips, formatting tricks, and smart automations to help you level up your sheets. And I'll see you in the next one.